Chapter 3 Differentiation. First topic, Continuity. A function f of x is said to be continuous if limit of f of x extends to a minus, means left hand limit, is equal to limit of f of x extends to a plus, means right hand limit, is equal to f of a. Next, differentiability. If y is equal to f of x, then derivative of y with respect to x is equal to f dash of x. Now these are some formulas of derivative. You have to learn all these formulae. Derivative of k is equal to 0. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of root x is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. Derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log of a. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, and derivative of log x is 1 upon x. These all formulas are calculated using first principle of derivative. In the 11th standard, we already studied about this. Next, rules of differentiation. If u and v are differentiable functions of x, then y is equal to u plus v. Then dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx, means addition of two functions. If y is equal to u minus v, then dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. If y is equal to u into v, means product of two functions, then their derivative is calculated as dy by dx is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. If y is equal to u upon v, then dy by dx is equal to v du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square, where v is not equal to 0. This is called as quotient rule. If y is equal to k into u, then dy by dx is equal to k into du by dx, where k is any constant number. Next, if y is equal to f of u is a differentiable function of u, and u is equal to g of x is a differentiable function of x, then dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. This is called as chain rule. Now these are some examples on chain rule. Exercise 3.1. First example, where to find dy by dx in this example. So if y is equal to root of x plus 1 by x, it is also written as x plus 1 by x raised to 1 by 2. Now here function within a function. So we use chain rule. Consider x plus 1 by x is equal to u. Therefore y is equal to u raised to 1 by 2. Now y is the function of u. So find derivative of y with respect to u. Therefore dy by du is equal to 1 by 2 into u raised to 1 minus 1 by 2. Therefore dy by du is equal to 1 by 2 u raised to minus 1 by 2. This is equation number 1. Now u is equal to, we consider u is equal to x plus 1 by x, means u is the function of x. Again find the derivative of u with respect to x. So du by dx is equal to derivative of x is 1 minus 1 upon x square. Derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. This is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, using chain rule, we get dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Now put all this value in this equation. So we get dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 x plus 1 by x raised to minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 x square. X plus 1 by x raised to minus 1 by 2 is written as 1 upon root of x plus 1 by x. Second example, if y is equal to 5x cube minus 4x square minus 8x raised to 9. Here again function within a function. So consider this term as u. Now find the derivative of u with respect to x. So du by dx is equal to derivative of 5x cube. phi is constant, so it is phi as it is, and derivative of x cube is 3x square. So 5 into 3, that is 15x square, minus derivative of 4x square is 8x, minus derivative of 8x is 8, and y is equal to u raised to 9. Therefore dy by du is equal to 9 into u raised to 9 minus 1 is equal to 9 into u raised to 8. Again by chain rule, dy by dx is equal to 9 into bracket 5x cube minus 4x square minus 8x raised to 8 into 15x square minus 8x minus 8. Third example, y is equal to log of log x. So consider log x is equal to u, therefore y is equal to log of u. Now simultaneously we find both the derivative du by dx and dy by du. Derivative of log x is 1 by x and derivative of log u is 1 by u. Again by chain rule, dy by dx is equal to, again substitute the value of u in the equation, log x. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon log x into 1 upon x. Y is equal to log of ax square plus bx plus c. Again put u is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So y is equal to log of u. So therefore du by dx is equal to, a is a constant term, so a as it is, and derivative of x square is 2x, plus b is constant, so b as it is, and derivative of x is 1, and derivative of c is 0, and dy by du is equal to 1 upon u. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, again dy by du into du by dx, and we get the value of dy by dx. If y is equal to e raised to 5x square minus 2x plus 4, therefore u is equal to 5x square minus 2x plus 4, and du by dx is equal to 10x minus 2 plus 0, y is equal to e raised to u, and dy by du is equal to e raised to u. Again by chain rule, write the value of dy by dx, that is dy by du into du by dx, and again put the value of u. So we get e raised to 5x square minus 2x plus 4 into 10x minus 2. Next topic is the derivative of an inverse function. Let y is equal to f of x be a real valued function defined on an appropriate domain. The inverse of this function exists if and only if the function is 1, 1 and onto. For example, let f from R to R be such that f of x is equal to x plus 10, then inverse of f from R to R such that f inverse of y is equal to y minus 10. Means if y is equal to x plus 10, then x is equal to y minus 10. So f inverse is called as the inverse function. If y is equal to f of x is a differentiable function of x such that inverse function x is equal to f inverse of y exists, then x is differentiable function of y, and dx by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx, and dy by dx is not equal to 0. Now these are examples on inverse function. First example, find the rate of change of demand x with respect to price y. Y is equal to 12 plus 10x minus 25x square. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, again using addition rule of derivative, first derivative of 12 plus derivative of 10x minus derivative of 25x square. Derivative of 12 is 0, derivative of 10x is 10, and derivative of 25x square is 25 into 2x. So it is equal to 10 minus 50x. But we have to find dx by dy. Now taking reciprocal of this, 1 upon 10 minus 50x. If y is equal to 25x plus log of into bracket 1 plus x square. So find dy by dx first, derivative of first function plus derivative of second function. Derivative of 25x is 25 because derivative of x is 1, so into 1 plus log of 1 plus x square. Derivative of log function is 1 upon 1 upon x. So here function is log of 1 plus x square. So it is 1 upon 1 plus x square into, now here again function within a function. So write the derivative of this function again, that is derivative of 1 plus x square. So it is equal to 0 plus 2x. Here we are applying chain rule. So it is equal to 25 plus 2x upon 1 plus x square, taking cross multiplication. So we get dx by dy is equal to reciprocal of this function. Next, find the marginal demand when demand is x and price is y. We know the formula of marginal demand is dt by dp, means derivative of demand with respect to price. In this example given that demand is x, so d is equal to x and price is y, that is p equal to y. So we have to find dx upon dy. For that, first we have to find dy by dx is equal to, again dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x e raised to minus x plus d by dx of 7. Now here product of two function x into e raised to minus x. So applying product rule we get x into e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x into 1 plus 0. Taking e raised to minus x common into bracket x plus 1. This is the value of dy by dx, and therefore dx by dy is equal to 1 upon e raised to minus x, x plus 1 is equal to e raised to x upon x plus 1. Second, y is equal to x plus 2 upon x square plus 1 is equal to, means this is the function of u upon v. So we have to apply quotient rule. Dy by dx is equal to, using the formula of quotient rule, v du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square. So find dy by dx is equal to, simplifying this we get minus x square minus 4x plus 1 upon x square plus 1 bracket square, and dx by dy is equal to x square plus 1 square upon minus x square minus 4x plus 1. Thank you.